This is a painting, and this painting also indicates the very house. This is the very multi-store building, and this is only a building. Okay, both of the buildings are so attractive, so beautiful to look actually. Okay, all of them are totally colored. This is the very color, so interesting color here, and painted by Hamim. That means this scenario, this picture of this poster, the pictures, the images of these posters, the sketches of this poster are totally or have been totally painted by Muhammad Hamim. Painted by Hamim also indicates Hamim has painted them, and this painting also indicates that Mr. Hamim, Muhammad Hamim, is so good painter, and this painting also inspired me. This painting also shows me. This painting also makes, or this painting has also made me think that Hamim will be the very famous painter in future. So this also the very assignment, this also signature, this also ideal, this also norm for declaring Mr. Hamim as the very future good painter, renowned painter. Okay, he has also mentioned here that in this room, okay, this is the very door, and door is totally painted in a gigantic way. Okay, and besides the door, there are also two windows, and in front of the windows a boy and a girl are to be found here so vigorously. So this is the very important fact. Most probably this peak also indicates that both of them most probably want to share their feelings, thought, imagination, and besides the very building, and in front of the building the very two plants of flower are to be found here. Okay, the very color of the flower are red, and the very leaves of the flower is also indicates the very greeny something. So all the things most probably seemed to me so conjugal something. This also indicates the very charming atmosphere and charming environment actually. Okay, my dear audiences, this is the very poster, and I am talking with you at the face of this poster. I have discussed a lot of things at the base of this picture, so all of you should try the best for speaking English in this way at the face of anything. So thanks to all. Try the best for understanding anything, try the best for talking anything on English like me and like the very fluent speaker. Okay, thanks to all.